Here we are over in Wakefield this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer. This customer has a huge yard full of wireless CCTV and bridging systems, and all he was getting was 30 megabytes per second off that little thing there. We've showed up, fitted an 18 by 12 galvanised bracket, a 3-foot mast and our own aluminium mounts. We've left his previous one in just as he's got all his security and everything connected up to it, so until his tech guy gets here later and switches it all over onto our new network, that will have to stay in. Customer's getting speeds of around 330 megabytes per second as opposed to his previous 30. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.